Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking reverse osmosis faucets, and we are going to replace the battery inside the faucet. Let's go to the kitchen and get started. All right, DIYers, inside the kitchen now. On the right hand side of our main faucet is our reverse osmosis faucet, and we are going to replace the battery. This is a CR2032 3 volt. I will show you what our system looks like. It is a GE. There is our 3 filter case, and there is our storage tank. And we just recently replaced all filters and did a full sanitation process on the system, and that video is scrolling above in the event that you are curious on how to do that. However, what I'll do now is show you the access door that we need to open to get the old battery out. I'll reposition the camera and keep moving. However, first I want to show you how this actually comes out. There is a top slot right here, and there is also a bottom slot. When this turns on, as you can see it's blinking red, it is time to replace it. I highly recommend not taking screwdrivers to this. I repositioned the camera, put a rubber glove on for better grip. Again, I'm not using any screwdrivers. On the back side, you now see the lower slot. And you'll carefully, with one hand, hold the handle itself, and you'll just carefully pull out on this, and it is in there pretty snug. And there, it's out now. And a quick view of what's inside. Not sure if that is helpful in any way. On the left-hand side is the housing, and take note of how the battery goes in. Let's remove the battery, open up the new one, and install it. Go ahead and grab the battery housing. Remove the old battery. It pops out pretty easily. The positive side down, or where it says CR2032, as shown here. Now we can install it back into the faucet. When reinstalling this housing, go ahead and reposition it as shown here. The positive side will go up or closest to the actual handle itself. Slide that in place. You've got a seal right here, and carefully slide it in place until it is set and flush with the circular housing that it goes into. And here's a top view of it. And if we inserted and secured that properly, once we turn on the faucet handle, we should have a blue light. Check that out. And it should be stationary there for a few seconds, about 3 to 5 seconds, and then it should turn on. And you'll see some spurting. It is pressurizing right now, and that takes about 2 to 3 hours because, again, we just did a full filter and membrane change as well as a full sanitation process with bleach. And that is it, DIYers. Hopefully this helps. Hey, do us a favor. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.